Hiya, welcome to a wee video on the Mini. You may have noticed I put a K&N filter on it because I had one lying around for the past year and a half, so I thought I'd stick it on there. If you want the original box on there, the air filter box, it's a 2-minute job to change it over, but that's about 100 odd quid for that K&N filter. It looks a little bit better, but it's up to you. Brand new discs and pads on the front, including wear indicators on the front and rear. I've done 2 lambda sensors. Lambda sensors usually last about 55,000 miles. I've replaced both of them, pre-cat and post-cat lambdas, and they weren't cheap. Exhaust is fine on the back. Most of the brake pipes all round have been replaced, so there's no worries with corrosion there. Condition is excellent all round. Trying to get used to this new gimbal mount thing. Excellent condition wheels and tyres. Rev it up while we're here. The boat has a either 6 or 8 disc changer in it as well. If anyone actually uses CDs anymore, I don't know if they actually do.
As well, who wants to say hi to Eunice's birthday today. And hi also to Graham. How are you, Graham?
I'm not too bad, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, mate. It's Friday! Yay!
And one day a week, so next year we'll leave that, you know.
The car's had no paintwork. We haven't touched it. I've touched in a couple of wee stone chips, but that's it. And there's the interior. The leather is immaculate. Try and do this with one hand. Unmarked leather. You've got your automatic with flick it over for Tiptronic or semi-auto mode. Got a 93-point check on the vehicle. You've got new MOT, no advisories, full HPI clear report, and the things that I've spent. 122 quid, full service, new wiper blades, new discs and pads on the front, new wear indicators, 1 lambda sensor, 2 lambda sensors, that's 90 quid for the 2 alone, and transmission oil, did the transmission oil, £44. And then in the service history, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 services, right up to 53,000 miles. So, lovely condition. You've got your manual and a service pack, and then that set seat as well. What a lovely little car. Struggle to find one with this mileage and automatic. And it's got the extras. It has the 17-inch wheels, well smart. It has the Cooper graphics, and obviously that full leather inside. But there we are. I can't fault the little car. It looks better outside than in under this fluorescent lighting. That'll give you an idea of the car. And this is our garage. We do classic car renovation. We've got a a 1990 S4 Porsche 928. It's just had a full respray. We've got a very rare Lomas Land Rover. It's also undergoing a full renovation. It's one of 2 in the whole country. We even do quad bike frames. And a fairly rare 850 T5 Volvo. But that's us. My name's Paul. Yeah. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the car. Full MOT, fully serviced, including gearbox, brand new front brakes, excellent rear brakes, new wear indicators all round, new lambda sensors, exhaust is under a year old, tyres are excellent, new MOT, no advisories, I think I've mentioned that, and it goes exceptionally well. And at 2,995, I think I've priced it well, considering I think there's only 2 or 3 in the country available, and they've got higher mileage and they're nearer £4,000. Anyway, all the very best. Thank you.